The drone world is buzzing once again. All eyes are locked on DJI's upcoming Air 4, with fresh leaks, rumors, and insider whispers spreading rapidly. The big question on everyone's mind is simple, yet exciting. Will the DJI Air 4 redefine what a mid-range drone can truly offer? Or will it simply refine the already impressive Air 3? Here at GadgetVerse, we're diving deep into everything that has surfaced so far, from design tweaks and performance upgrades to camera enhancements that could make this drone a serious game-changer for creators, travelers, and aerial photographers. DJI's Air series has always struck the perfect balance between portability and power. But if the latest leaks are accurate, the Air 4 may push those boundaries even further. Early visuals suggest a slimmer, more aerodynamic body designed for improved flight efficiency and smoother handling, especially in windy or high-altitude conditions. DJI appears to be focusing heavily on airflow optimization and balance, creating a drone that's not only visually refined, but also engineered for better real-world performance. One of the most interesting rumors points to reinforced arms and a sturdier frame, potentially boosting stability and durability for pilots who fly in challenging outdoor environments. Despite these structural improvements, DJI is expected to maintain the Air series' travel-friendly design, ensuring that any added strength doesn't come at the cost of portability. The Air 4 is still expected to remain lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry wherever creativity takes you. There's also growing speculation that the Air 4 could borrow subtle design cues from DJI's premium Mavic lineup. This shift could signal DJI's intention to blur the line between mid-range and professional drones. A more premium look combined with advanced capabilities might position the Air 4 as an ideal choice not just for hobbyists, but also for semi-professional filmmakers seeking cinematic results without the bulk or price tag of higher-end models. On the camera side, leaks suggest some exciting upgrades. One of the most talked about features is a possible variable aperture, allowing creators to fine-tune exposure across different lighting conditions. This would be a massive win for photographers and filmmakers shooting during golden hour or transitioning light environments. Another rumored addition is a mechanical shutter, which could virtually eliminate rolling shutter distortion, a huge advantage for capturing fast-moving subjects like cars, sports, or wildlife with clean, professional-looking footage. Intelligent flight features are also expected to receive meaningful improvements. DJI's already impressive ActiveTrack, obstacle avoidance, and return-to-home systems could become even smarter and more precise. Upgrades to OcuSync transmission technology may deliver stronger signal stability, extended range, and smoother live feeds. Even in areas with interference or during long-distance flights, battery life is another area generating serious excitement. While the Air 3 already impressed pilots with its long flight time, rumors suggest the Air 4 could push close to 50 minutes of flight time. True, this would allow for longer shooting sessions, fewer battery swaps, and more freedom to focus on creativity rather than power management. When you combine these rumored upgrades, a refined aerodynamic design, reinforced build quality, professional-grade camera tools, smarter flight intelligence, and extended battery life, the DJI Air 4 starts to look like a true evolution rather than a minor refresh. It could represent the perfect middle ground between the portability of the Air series and the professional capabilities of DJI's Mavic line. So what does all of this mean for drone enthusiasts? If even half of these leaks turn out to be accurate, the DJI Air 4 could become one of the most well-balanced and capable drones in its class. With a sleek new design, smarter features, better camera control, and longer flight time, shaping up to be a powerhouse packed into a compact frame. DJI has a long history of pushing boundaries, and the Air 4 seems ready to continue that legacy. Until DJI officially reveals the Air 4, all we can do is speculate, but one thing is clear: the excitement is real. Stay tuned to GadgetVerse 4. More leaks, updates, and deep dives into the latest drone innovations. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss the next big reveal in the world of tech.